In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located underneath the glove box. Let's get into it. There's a cover underneath here. Just take these wing nuts off. You don't need any tools. You can just use your fingers. Twist those off. And grab this cover. Pull it down, out of the way. There's a cover right here. This little tab, push that, and you want to slide it towards the outside of the car or to the right. That cover comes off. You can grab the filter. And this one's pretty dirty. And pull that out. Out of the way. Take the new filter. The slant is going to go towards the outside of the vehicle, or the right side of the vehicle. Push that in place. Take the cover. Push that in, and then push it towards the center of the vehicle. Until it locks in place. That's good. Now take the cover, line this up. The wing nuts, get those started. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.